In this video, I'll show you how to change the background color in After Effects. This is a simple beginner tutorial where you'll learn 3 easy ways to do it. The first method is the quickest. Go to Composition, Composition Settings. Here you'll find the background color option. Choose any color you want, for example, red, and click OK. Important for beginners, this background color is only for preview. It will not appear in the final export. This is the best method for most projects. Right-click in the timeline, go to New, Shape Layer, move the shape layer below your video layer, select the rectangle tool, click and drag to cover the entire composition. Open the shape layer, go to Contents, Rectangle, Fill, and choose your background color. This background will export correctly, and it's great for animation. Bonus, animate the shape background. As a bonus, we can also animate the background color. Click the stopwatch next to Fill Color to create a keyframe. Move forward in time, then choose a different color. Now, when we play the preview, you can see the background color change smoothly over time. The third method is using a solid layer. Right-click in the timeline, go to New Solid. Choose a color and click OK. Make sure the solid layer is below your video layer. This method is very simple, perfect for static backgrounds. When to use each method: beginner tip, composition background, preview only, shape layer, best for animation and flexibility, solid layer, simple and reliable background. If you're new to After Effects, start with my After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners. It covers keyframes, layers, and the most common beginner mistakes, and will make this video much easier to follow.